The bedroom is the real heart of your home. It deserves to be designed and thought through just as much as any of the communal spaces, and it needs to appeal to all the senses. When I'm designing homes, bedroom lighting is key. You want to be able to set the right mood, and you don't want anything too bright or glaring. On Handmade hotels, I've loved seeing homeowners make really creative choices because they add a layer of visual interest to a space. My favorites were Crystal's chainmail pendants and Mayute's fairy lights.
I walked by these lamps for 6 months and just adored them, and then finally when we bought this place, I'm like, oh, I have somewhere to put those lamps.
When it comes to color in a bedroom, people tend to default to a softer palette. And while I love that approach, in a short-term rental, you can be more bold in your choices if it matches your overall aesthetic. What's key here is to create a balance between color, texture, and comfort.
It's really white, but it's also super colorful, and it's kind of joyous, it's fun, it's whimsical.
Something I see time and time again when visiting successful short-term rentals is the impact of quality bed linens. For me, pale colors or natural fabrics are the way to go. Erin understands the importance of a freshly made bed.
We buy expensive sheets. It's a lot of details. Focusing on the little things creates that ultimate experience.
What really stands out for me is the care and creativity these hosts have put into their guest rooms. It's great inspiration for creating your own bedroom oasis, whether it's a vacation rental or your own home.